Craft Pro DIY test strips are designed to give you a quick, affordable way to monitor your water chemistry every time you brew. This helps you catch any sudden shifts in your water chemistry so you can avoid a bad batch. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Craft Pro test strips. Start by collecting a sample of your brewing water in a clean vessel. Make sure the water is deep enough to fully cover all 9 test pads on the strip. Dip the strip into the water for exactly 2 seconds, then remove it. Gently shake off any excess water and lay the strip flat. Allow 10 seconds for the colors to develop. Within 30 seconds, compare the strip to the color chart on the package. Any readings taken after 2 minutes are considered invalid. We recommend taking a photo of the strip next to the chart so you have a record and can take your time reviewing the results. Next, match each test pad to the closest color on the chart and record your results. Keeping a log allows you to track water chemistry changes over time. If you're using Craft Tracker, you can store your readings and easily compare them with past results using color-coded tracking. One question we frequently get is what to do if you have impaired color vision. You can have someone else review it or send it to us and we can help you interpret your results. You can now take your results and adjust your water chemistry as needed. If you have any questions while using your Craft Pro test strips, give us a call or send us an email and we'll be happy to help. Craft Pro Test Kits. We help you make your best batch every batch.